Jamaica, my beautiful Jamaica. So blessed, but yet so deficient. We have a lot, yet knows not what. Jamaica, my beautiful Jamaica. A place where Merlene Ottey dream, Bob Marley sings coming in from the cold. Jamaica, my beautiful Jamaica. A place where asafa Powell run like the wind, Usain Bolt well we know a lightning bolt. Jamaica, my sunny Jamaica. A place sweet with patois, but confusion and nonchalance a question. Jamaica, my sunny Jamaica. I pray a deep prayer for you, that men, women and children unite. Jamaica, my sunny Jamaica. I pray Jamaicans be happy as birds, and shine bright as the sun. Jamaica, my only Jamaica. I pray all our woes be vaporized, and the smoke screen cleared, for my sunny Jamaica. One day our perplexity will be over,